Hi, my name is Angela Clark. I'm a voice artist and top-rated seller on Upwork. Together, you and I are going to learn how to really succeed on the ever-elusive Upwork platform. During this course, we'll take you through the basic steps of setting up a professional profile to winning those proposals and gaining those ever-valuable return clients. Now, this course is aimed at everyone from the complete beginner to the professional who's still struggling to grow on the Upwork platform. So there's no need to have Upwork experience. We're going to start right at the beginning and work our way through step by step. First, you'll learn how to set up your Upwork profile. Then you'll learn how to set up projects that really sell. From there, you'll learn how to write a winning proposal. I'll share with you all my tricks for getting voiceover work continually. And then I'll show you how to keep your clients coming back to you for long-term projects. Before the end of this course, you'll understand how to get work without auditioning, how to write winning proposals, and how to establish loyal, long-term clients. We'll impress Upwork buyers with your amazing profile and exemplary skills. I'll share with you the skills I learned that took me from Upwork Newbie to top-rated in just 1 year. I'll share templates I developed that will really help you win more work. I really want you to get the most out of taking this course by following the training and then taking action as you learn. By the end of the course, you will have made significant progress on your journey to top-rated seller on the Upwork platform. So I hope you're ready to upgrade yourself, learn how to use these skills for success, and make more money. On your way to becoming the top-rated seller. If you're ready, enroll in the course now, and I'll see you on the inside.